Hello, superstars. How are you today? It is Saturday. I'm Sherry. This is Kentucky Philly Diamond Painting and More. If you're new to my channel, welcome in. If you're returning, welcome back. So happy to have you guys here. You are what makes this channel. I have a Temu haul for you here today. Just a few little items. Actually, it's just a few things I picked out from a haul, because that haul, if you all saw it, that bag was huge. But it did have other things in there other than diamond painting, but most of it was diamond painting related. So I may or may not, it depends, show you some of the items that I got that were diamond painting related. But how about we talk about what national day it is today? So today is National Play Outside Day. I don't know about you guys, but I like to play outside, especially with my grandkids. It's also National New Hampshire Day. It is National Grateful Patient Day. Well, as a nurse, I always appreciated my patients being grateful and not grumpy. But, you know, sick people don't feel good, and a lot of times they are grumpy, and I understood that. So today is National Tailgating Day, National Beer Lovers Day, okay, National Salami Day, National Acorn Squash Day, National Moses Day, and those are our days for today. Alright, so how about, I know I didn't talk about the weird laws. Yesterday I completely forgot, and I'm so sorry. So, we're moving on to the state of Arizona. In the state of Arizona, it is illegal to hunt and kill camels, which, as we know, Arizona does have desert. You know, a couple of states there have some desert areas. But camels did not originate, you know, in that area, and they were only there if we brought them there. The next one that I have is that it is illegal for men and women over the age of 18 to have a missing tooth visible while smiling. So that applies only in Tombstone, Arizona. So those are two little unique laws for the state of Arizona. Alright, so how about we get started? You guys see I have 3 paintings, and then I have something that is off canvas, and you see how this box came. Now I pulled it out a little bit and I didn't see anything damaged, but it sure is beat up. So I'm going to pull this out. So this is another clock. I know I showed one yesterday, but this one has birds. I have another one that's an off canvas that I haven't shown. I'm really not sure, you know, how that would have to be mounted, I guess. Anything off that is on a canvas would have to be mounted onto a canvas board. So, in order to protect the back part of it. But I thought this was very pretty. I love the butterflies. I also love birds. There's some cardinals on here. There's a blue jay over here. There's some chickadees here. So I think it's very pretty, very colorful. And it says, "Life is like a beautiful song." So it does come with a stand. I'm just going to try to, there we go, empty all that out of there. But I do not see, it did not come with the, yeah it did, it's way back there. There it is. So there's the mechanism for the clock. So let's get a little closer so you guys can see this a little bit better. So there are the birds. As you see, life's like a beautiful song. And there is all that drill field. Very pretty, I believe. It's so pretty. And then, of course, the stand. Comes with the stand. And with the, sometimes if it, because it has the film on it, it makes it really difficult to sit down in there. Once that film is off both the clock and the stand, it will set up well. And of course, as always, there's film on both sides of this stand, and there's a film on the back of the clock that should be peeled off. That is just a protector to protect it from scratching. And here is the mechanism. You know, it looks like most of them that you buy a clock in the store. You just put it together, all the little washers and all those little things, all the little hand mechanisms, everything comes in this little bag. Okay, and so it comes with your typical toolkit, and then our drills. And there's some very pretty special drills in here. Alright, start off with is just the clear, and then some amber, and then some smoky, dark, maybe black, reds, oranges, yellows, blues, greens, some half-tone gold smooth, some faceted, pretty aquamarine looking faceted marquees, some faceted purple marquees, and then some faceted green marquees. Very pretty drills to go on this. I think this will be beautiful. I will be completing these at some point. It may be either towards the end of the month or the first of next month. I'm going to try to complete both of these clocks, put them together so that I can show them to you. I think they are beautiful. So let's move that to the side. Alright, and then we will move on to our next item. This is a partial special drill canvas. It's a 30 by 30. And this is what this is, a very colorful owl. So we have our typical toolkit, and then of course our drills in our little baggies. Let me roll this backward just a little, see if we can get it straightened out a little. And a partial canvas just means that the entire canvas or painting area on there is not sticky, and we only paint on the areas where the symbols are that relate to the corresponding drills. So, beautiful colorful owl, and it has 10 different drills. Owls are special to me. My grandmother loved owls, and I had several figurines that she had. You know, they like, my grandmother loved the knickknacks. And I remember when I was a kid, and Saturdays were our day to clean the house before we did anything. And I remember that my assignment was usually dusting. And I remember having to pick up and dust off all of her little knickknacks on all of her little shelves. But she had a beautiful home, so, and some very beautiful things. And most of them were given to her, she said. So she wanted to display that. So here he is. Very pretty. Lots of color. I think he'll be beautiful once he's completed. I know a lot of people don't care for special drill. They, you know, like the others, but I do too. I like the full drill canvases. But these sparkle and shine so much, and when I have shown my work to friends, family, they usually gravitate toward my special drill partials. And so those are usually what I give as gifts. So let's look at these drills, shall we? Let's see here. Okay, so we have, let's focus, there we go. Blue and clear, yellow, orange, pinks. These are AB. They're a blue, but you can see that AB effect. And then these are pink with that AB effect. And then we have some larger faceted aquamarine colored marquees, some orange teardrop, and then finally some pinkish red AB effect marquees. I think this will be very pretty. The jewel tones are just really pretty on a canvas, so I love it. Love it, love it. He is very, very pretty. Alright, so let's move on to our next one. This is a round drill canvas. It is a 30 by 30. And this is cute, super cute. So we have our typical toolkit. And our drills come in silver train, gray train, try to get this relaxed just a little so we can see it, so it's not all wrinkled up. And here we go. Crazy bird. Oh, he's cute. Super cute. I love this. I love it. Now, when my granddaughter comes, she is probably going to say, Mimi, I want to diamond paint that one. So, if she wants to, you know, Mimi is going to say, sure, you can do that. Oh my goodness. I love it. It's cute. Crazy bird. Looks like he's got some peacock feathers up there on top of his head. Very colorful, very cute, very fun. He has 23 colors, and it is all uppercase letters in random order. So this one will be so much fun if she doesn't take him away from me. So let's look at the drill field. Very clear. It's good and sticky. So there we go for him. And let's look at his colors. Pink, white, yellow. You can't really see that blue. Let's try this way. There we go. and here. So lots of different colors, rainbow of colors, nice color palette. He will be super, super fun. And then last but not least, this one is a larger painting. This one is a 40 by 60. Again, your typical toolkit. It does have 2 plates of wax in there. That's the only difference. And she comes all kitted up in the zip top bags. This is a round 40 by 60 again. This is a lady in a top hat. This is very pretty in a town, on the streets. It is a little dark, but I really liked it. I do like my ladies. I like my big-eyed girls. I like my big-eyed animals, my cutesy animals. I think I like everything. You know, there's just, I'm not crazy about the blood and guts kind of thing, but I have a wide range of likes. So, you know, I do try to have a diverse selection of paintings to show you all, so that hopefully I have something that I'm showing that all of you will like. So again, here she is. This is very nice. The drill field is very clear. This canvas is extremely sparkly. She has 24 colors and her legend is uppercase letters in random order. So let's look at that drill field. Very clear. A mixture of confetti and color blocking. All this is color blocking right through here. Here's, you know, there's lots of color blocking here. A little bit of confetti in these areas up through here on the sides. So, and a little here. So this is going to be a beautiful painting, I think, when it's finished. The coloring in her face looks good. I'm not sure if that's red up there. I may replace that with something else if it is, but very nice painting. So let's look at the drills. There are no ABs in this, but here are the drills. Guys, this was the last one I have for you. I thank you for joining me today, stopping by and visiting. I hope you guys have had a great start to your weekend, and I hope it continues to be good. Please stay safe, stay healthy. God bless you, and until next time, see ya.